The short vowel sound E. Listen carefully. E. For example, egg, leg, friend, dead, many. This sound is really short. The tongue is in the middle of the mouth, and the mouth is a little closed. E. Repeat after me. E.
E.
Egg,
Egg.
leg,
Leg.
friend,
Friend.
dead,
Dead.
many.
Many.
The other short vowel sound is A. Listen carefully. A. For example, man, fan, land, hand. In this sound, when we pronunciation, the tongue is in the inferior teeth, but the mouth is a little open. Listen carefully. A. Repeat after me. A.
A.
Man,
Man.
fan,
Fan.
land,
Land.
hand.
Hand.
The consonant sound, wo. This consonant is voiceless because it's without vibration. Feel in your neck. Wo. Listen carefully. Wo. For example, wall, worse, while, west. Listen careful and repeat after me. Wo.
Wo.
Wall,
Wall.
worse,
Worse.
while,
While.
west.
West.
The last consonant sound is V. This sound is voice because it's with vibration. Listen carefully. V. For example, verse, vine, verse. Repeat after me. V.
V.
Verse,
Verse.
vine,
Vile.
vest.
Vest.